Hello guys, welcome to my channel English Pro Dil Se, and I'm your host, I'm your anchor, I'm your teacher. And if I know last few days you are hearing very disturbing humor about this whole world because there is a third world war can happen. No about the last night I heard the news in Ravish Kumar official that it can be very dangerous situation because the Trump attacked the Khalsar, the Iran president. Okay, so yes, it can be, but don't worry. I really don't think so. It will any kind of situation. It will happen in India. Don't worry, it won't happen in India. And I can reason you why, because our Donald Trump is our friend, and also Iran and Israel also are friend, and also I know there are a lot of tariff issue which Donald Trump in really want to see that in India. Look, everyone want to be a dictator. Okay, this is I'm telling you the biggest disease in the what is the world. Everyone want to be dictator. Everyone want to be dictate and rule. Okay, no one want to be a hero. Yes, this is the main problem. And also these all I know they are just mentally challenged and mentally sick people. That's why they are doing this such kind of crap. Okay, that whole world gonna disturb, and whole world will become to poverty line and they can rule the world. Okay, it's and in look, it's not about today. It's not the problem of today. No. It's the problem since I birth. Since I think this is the life goes on. There are only few men. There are only few men which you can say a hero. Otherwise, everyone want to be a dictator. Everyone want to be a dictatorship. Okay, this is the main problem. I'm telling you. So yes, we are making a sentence. Okay, in the air. Yes, the most discussing topic about right now is about Third World War. Look, if they have enough guts, okay, I won't say anything because I don't want to provoke someone. I really don't want to provoke someone. They are doing just because their mind limit. Yes, they are doing just what they are really think that this can be done, this can be true. Okay, down in the dumps. Down in the dumps. It's about disappointment. 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 I mean, there are a lot of disappointment in life. Lot of disappointment in life, and I really can't say. I mean, I really don't want to say anything because you see, life. What is the meaning of life? Life is meaning that you are dreaming, you are achieving, you are build your own life. This is the meaning of life, and this is the way of living. You are dreaming, you are achieving, and you are living life on your own term and condition. Okay, this is the way. But the important thing in the life which I'm telling you and which I experience a lot of time I experience this, life will always give you many more disappointment. Okay, you have to struggle, you have to feel pain, you have to feel all the things which make you a human. Okay, this is how the life work. This is my experience and I'm sharing with you in the family way. Yes, it's about your wife. It's about your wife is pregnant. Okay, your wife is pregnant and now you really can't understand what you should do. Okay, I mean, yes, this is the meaning. I mean, your wife is pregnant, your girlfriend is pregnant. So look, always use condom. Don't worry. Always be live yourself just like yourself. You don't have to worry that thing. So you really have don't to just always use a condom. Okay. Don't ever be shy to buy this. Look, these all are just mentally diarrhea and mentally disease. People who are ashaming to look, people who are ashaming to discuss this thing. People are not discussing that doing thing. Okay, look, people who have 10 children, 5 children. You really think they are smart enough? Look, you don't have to born a one child. I'm telling you, you really don't have to born a single child until you don't see that your pocket, your mind, your dream. If you are, look, guys, in this world, 99 out of 100 people are mental. This is the biggest problem. I'm telling you. Only the few people, only 1% people are intelligent and clever and smart one. Okay, but this is the very harsh truth. That look, no, I'm not talking about India and China, which they have a large of population, over 140 crore people, over 145 crore people, and no, and what we are sources have. What sources we are? That's why Indian are beating in Australia, Germany, Japan. Everywhere you are hearing that kind of news, that because that people are also disturbed, because everyone love their country, and when Indian come to that country, Indian go to that country and live their country, the people think that they are using our resources, they are using our facility. So that's why they disturb an Indian population. You think very well. People are not discussing with this thing. Just born. I mean, how you? I really have to. I mean, all the people of India really have to do. I mean, you don't have a one chapter of sex education in a school. This is the reality of school. So that's why people are living like just an insect. This is the very harsh reality, and you really have to accept it. Okay, you really have to. Michael Jackson gave this song in a 1993. All I am saying this, no one is care about you. So okay, so you have to build your life, take your own decision, and you be a hero. Okay. In the good books of in the good books of in the good books that in the good books of you are in the good books, look, it's not about buttering. Okay, it's not about buttering, and not about it's not about buttering. Look, you always have to be a neutral person. This is my observation, and this is I'm telling you. You always have to be a neutral person. You have to see both side. You always have to see both side, either good or bad. You always have to prepare your mind that you are seeing both side. This is you gonna be a human being. In the good books of, in the jaws of, it's about, yes, it's about, look, I want, no, this is not the correct word, but in the jaws of, you are eating something. Okay, you are eating some kind of thing. You are in the jaws of, you are brushing your teeth every day, and you have to brush properly, otherwise your mouth gonna stink. You always have to eat slowly. You always have to eat slowly. You don't have to eat like you have to hurry. No, you really don't have to hurry. You always have to eat slowly and properly, and just wash your hand. Look, these are the simple manners which we learn in a first and second, okay, first and second class. This is the basic thing. So yes, if you are think you are learning and growing, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thank you very much. And please write in a comment section so I can make a more content for you. Thank you very much.